Hi, I'm Lauren Fix, the car coach. We're all in a rush these days, but there's nothing more frustrating than getting in your car and it not starting. It really can put a wrench in your day. Here's a few tips to get you back on the road. Over the years, cars have become more reliable, but with so many moving parts, even the most well-maintained vehicles are occasionally temperamental. Assuming you're not a mechanic, let's take a look at the most common situations and how to deal with them. Let's assume you turn the key and nothing happens. Listen to your car. Even though it has betrayed you and it didn't start, it's still considerate enough to give you hints on why. If you turn the key and the engine doesn't crank at all, things may not be that bad. It's probably the battery, especially in cold weather. If so, tighten and clean the battery connections and try again. They could be corroded or loose. If so, just baking soda, water, and that old toothbrush you may have laying around, that's all you need to clean the battery terminals. If you have to jump start a battery, this can be done easily with another vehicle, or you can have your own battery jumper and can use it for another time. This is the safest way to get back on the road, especially if you're stuck in a parking lot. Things could still be worse. You may have a bad starter or an alternator or an electrical problem. Unfortunately, at this point, you'll need a tow truck and a mechanic. Another problem you may have, if the starter turns but the engine won't start, one common problem might be a frozen fuel line. So be sure to always keep your tank at least half full in the cooler weather. If you've been driving in wet conditions or deep snow, wet spark plugs or other engine components can prevent your car from starting. If you still have no luck, you probably want to turn the problem over to your trusty mechanic. Bottom line, if your auto won't start, the problem is either spark or gas. Preventative maintenance is the difference between your car starting or having the world's largest paperweight. For more information, go to our website. I'm Lauren Fix, the car coach.